Hello, in this demo I would like to talk to you about using Schoology assignments to capture physically created products from your classroom. So here's a sample assignment on the facilitator side where, of course, just like every other assignment, I give a set of directions. Here I have a couple samples. They're able to upload a photo or a video. You can also use the Markup Tool inside of the photo app to mark up anything that would need to be demonstrated more clearly, calling attention to something by circling it and labeling it, for example. You can also have learners upload a video. In the elementary experience, those pictures and or videos can be taken directly in the platform itself, and I'll switch over to that in the learner view right now. So when I come here in the learner view and open that assignment, I see that I could take a photo, record a video. I can actually do both of those here also in the upload. So when I click photo, when I click record video, it's going to automatically go ahead and access my camera after I've given that first time allow access. If I choose upload, I'm greeted by this second screen to choose a file. But when I do that, notice it wants to access my Photos app, which again I have to give first time access to. I can also take a photo or a video directly in the platform. If I want to be able to take advantage of markup, I do have to do that inside of the Photos app. So that looks like a learner taking the photo prior to coming into Schoology, hitting those three dots, marking up that picture, and then here inside the assignment, they're going to choose Photo Library, and they would choose the photo. Notice just like in the assessment video, I have the same options of Photo Library, take a photo or video, or that choose a file where I could pick something that has been done collaboratively. Like if this is a collaborative group project, I made a video and I put that into Google Drive, for example. I could access that through the choose file option. So those are some options on how I can collect things that were physically done through the assignment tool inside of Schoology. As always, I hope that this is helpful, and thanks for watching.